Hello everybody, I'm back with another Airsoft video. This one's more fun, a little more silly than the other ones. I recently went up to Motor City Airsoft in Michigan, and up there's a Russian team. They're a bunch of American guys with a Russian kit, Russian loadouts and everything. The basic 7 Russian words that everybody knows. The usual sukbliet, divai, all that. But it's a lot of fun. I enjoyed having them out there, and so I thought you might too, so enjoy.
Did you build the shield? Or did you buy it?
Not this one. We have a real one.
Yeah, why?
You guys all speak.
Stacking up on you. Where are you? Backing up. I want to move up.
Woo! Dragon B!
Keep falling off.
Hey, when you dance, stay when he's down, bro. It's up there. Right, this Brava! John, this Brava! Go, divide! Hit! You got me!
And that just about wraps up all the Russian gameplay I had from that day. If you live in Michigan, you go up to Motor City Airsoft and you see them up there, I'd definitely play with them. It's a good time, a lot of fun, they're cool guys. It's kind of silly, but like Airsoft is silly. We're a bunch of guys dressed up and shooting each other with fake guns. So why not have a little fun with it? Anyway, if you like this video, please drop a like, subscribe, and check out my channel for more related videos.